Hi students, today we study areas of similar triangles. So this is 4 marks important theorem. So it is very easy theorem also. So here first, when we are freeing this one, first we read the statement very carefully and draw the diagram according to the statement. Otherwise, you lose the marks. So the ratio of areas of two similar triangles so is equal to the ratio of squares of the their corresponding sides. So it means we draw two similar. Here we draw two similar triangles. So I here drawn two triangles. I name them as ABC and DEF. So now you write these as it is in given also. So here the name of the two triangles are triangle ABC. Its similar triangle is triangle DEF. So if the two triangles are similar, it means their corresponding angles and corresponding sides are equal. So now I take angle B is corresponding to angle E and angle C is corresponding to angle F and angle A is corresponding to angle D. So then corresponding sides are the sides opposite to equal angles. They are the corresponding sides. So it means AB is corresponding to DE. It means AB upon DE is equal to AC upon EF. AC upon DF. So when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Hence I am writing this ratio. So this is because these two are similar. So now what we want to prove? The ratio of areas of similar triangles. The ratio of areas of these two triangles. Area of one triangle ABC and another triangle. What is the name of another triangle? DEF is equal to their square of ratio of corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are here. I wrote the ratio of corresponding sides. AB square by DE square is equal to AC square by DF square and BC square by EF square. This is our to prove. So this is from statement. Next, to prove this one, we want one construction. The construction is draw perpendicular in both the triangles. In first triangle, I draw perpendicular AM perpendicular to BC, and here DN perpendicular to EF. So write as it is. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and another construction DN perpendicular to EF. So these are the construction. So for this you get 2 marks. So next important part is our proof. So proof is area of triangle ABC. This one. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. So we want to find the ratio of this one. So we already know the area of triangle formula. The area of triangle formula is 1 by 2 base into height. Apply this one to both the triangles. So area of triangle ABC 1 by 2. Its base is BC, height is AM. To whose side perpendicular there? You consider that one only. Base BC, height AM. And similarly in triangle DEF, base EF, height base EF and height perpendicular DN. So here you cancel the same things from both numerator and denominator. So what will remains? Write as it is. Area of. So write as it is. Just copy paste. So here also just copy paste. So write the remaining part. I rearrange this one as this BC by EF is equal into AM by DN. Called as equation number 1. Here we want to prove area of ABC by DEF is equal to BC square into EF square. So it becomes that way. Here in place of AM by DN, these two ratio must become equal. Then only we get that one. To do so, we prove these two ratios are are equal. So for that I prove this triangle and this triangle are similar. So consider triangle. In triangle ABM and another triangle DEN. You already know when the triangles are similar and what are the criteria also. So first you check in these two triangles which are things are equal. So here we already know angle B and angle E are equal because these two triangles are similar. For that reason they are equal, and here we already constructed. So AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to EF. Hence these two angles are 90 degree. So we get angle ABM is equal to angle DEN. So just I told you this is because given. And next similarly angle AMB, this angle AMB. So AMB is equal to DNE. So both are 90 degree. So because construction, we only constructed. Therefore, hence, now if two corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles becomes similar. Just once again, you copy paste these two. They name the triangle ABM similar to triangle DEN. So this is because A criteria. A similarity criteria. If these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio. I write the corresponding sides AM corresponding to DN. The ratio of these two is equal to another corresponding side AB by DE. So here we already know AB by DE is equal to these two, but here we want BC by EF. So therefore this implies AM by DN is equal to AB by DE, but AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. This where it is from in given. So now these three becomes equal. I call this one as equation number 2. Now you compare equation 1 and 2 from equation 1 and 2. In equation 1, what is equation 1? Right, as it is area of triangle ABC and divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF. BC by EF. And here AM by DN. In place of AM by DN, I write BC by EF because from equation 2, here AM by DN is equal to BC by EF. So BC into BC becomes BC square. EF into EF becomes EF square. We proved the ratio of areas of similar triangle is equal to BC square by EF square. It is also be written as BC by EF bracket square. So therefore, rewrite it once again. Area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to, right, whole sides. BC by EF is equal to these two also. So hence I write those sides also. BC by EF bracket square is equal to remaining two sides ratio. AB by DE bracket square. AC by DEF bracket square. This is our required proof. For this you get 4 marks.